This pipeline detector. It is mainly used for optical cable pipeline. Measure the direction and depth of the cable. It mainly consists of two parts, the transmitter and the receiver. There are three methods to detect. The first method is the direct method. Use the two clips. One clip clamp onto the optical cable. Another black clip clamp onto the ground. Another one is the clamp method. Use the clamp onto the optical cable we are testing. The third method is the induction method. There is a transmitting coil in the receiver. Put the transmitter above the known optical cable. Now show you how to use the clamp method. Take out the clamp. Insert the clamp into the output port of the transmitter. Use the caliper tool. Clamp onto the optical cable to be detected. Power on. Please choose higher frequency. Generally, 33 kHz is popular. Select this frequency. Second step. Choose increase the gain. Select gear 10. Click output. Transmitter. Finish setting. Take out the receiver. Turn on the power. Select frequency. Choose the same frequency as the transmitter, 33 kHz. Also press this key to process. Place the receiver above the transmitter. Blue dots and blue lines appear together. This indicates the receiver is working properly, 2 meters away from the transmitter. Take out the receiver. If you do not know where is the initial location of the optical cable, walk with the receiver circle centered on the transmitter. Find a place with a signal as a marker. This point. Is the second one. The first point and the second point, the direction of the straight line. That's the position where the optical cable runs. Next, another direction to detect. Let's start. We find one of the 2 points to detect. Now, the blue line is above the cable. The blue dot, it indicates that we are above the optical cable. The left corner, display the cable depth. The depth, 1.2 meters. Path detect. Follow the signal of the receiver to process. When we deviate from the signal, if deviating to the right, the arrow indicates that we should move to the left. If deviating to the left, the arrow indicates that we should move to the right. Please follow this way. You can find the direction and the depth of the cable.